I'm Aiden from top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Let's talk about Zoosk. Dating can be a frustrating process for any single, and while online dating can make the entire scene a lot more enjoyable, it's important to find the right dating site. Zoosk is one of the most popular dating sites, with more than 40 million singles swimming around in its pond. Using fun features, strong security, and an advanced behavioral matchmaking system, Zoosk is taking the guesswork and the frustration out of online dating. Zoosk has a diverse range of singles, generally in the age range of 25 to 45, with a healthy combo of males and females. It's also a great option for both hetero and LGBTQ singles from across the globe. They let you sign up quickly with basic info and give you the option to fill out a longer, more detailed questionnaire at your leisure. You can also link your Facebook or Google accounts for easier sign up. Zoosk isn't the cheapest dating site out there, but it's certainly not the most expensive either. You can sign up for a single month, 3-month, or 6-month plan, and membership gets cheaper the longer you sign up for. A monthly subscription costs about $12 to $20, depending on how long you sign up for. And while their price point is about average, the free plan is a lot more robust than most dating apps. In fact, you can use a lot of the same functionality, like carousel, coin purchasing, and manual searches, not to mention the behavioral matchmaking tool that all users are entitled to. To talk to other members though, you'll need a paid-for account. Possibly the biggest claim to the fame of Zoosk is its behavioral matchmaking algorithm. The site uses machine learning to hone in on the best matches for each user, and it actually gets smarter the more you use it. The algorithm learns your preferences as you go along, so it can make even more accurate suggestions, which is always appreciated. Though not called icebreakers, Zoosk has a super send feature that lets you blast a single message out to multiple users simultaneously. Members can choose to answer you back and continue the conversation one-on-one. Flirting with other members is simple. You can either smile or like their profile to see how they'll respond. You can also start up a chat conversation and see where it takes you. Or if you're trying to be playful, Zoosk lets you send a virtual gift to other users to get the ball rolling. Photo verification is used for all new members. Plus, the platform's insignia feature verifies anyone claiming to be a military member, handing out badges to users who can prove they've served. Add that to a good block of feature and the system is a lot safer than most dating sites. Check out fun extra features like the carousel quick match swipe style matching game. Zoosk also sends out insight reports, giving you a sneak peek into your own psyche, the way you really date. The report can help you narrow down your dating pool to the most successful choices. Like most sites, customer service is available via phone, email, and through the FAQ section on the site. What's unusual about this service is that you can also reach out for help via SMS or social media accounts, which are answered regularly. The site has a tremendous user base, and that base keeps growing because of its popularity as a dating site. And though it doesn't hold the #1 spot according to some users, Zoosk has 40 million users spanning 80 countries with thousands of success stories and is quickly climbing to the charts. Bottom line, if you're looking for a safe, reliable, and easy-to-use dating app, Zoosk is a great candidate. The behavioral matchmaking and fun communication features make it a top contender, and the vast and diverse dating pool means Zoosk is a good option for just about any single. I hope this video helped you decide whether Zoosk.com is the right dating site for your needs. For more reviews, check out top10.com.